welcome to this video. I've picked out the top 20 that I think are the best and most useful. So, without any delay, let's get started and explore these amazing AI tools together. Let's start with SoundDraw. If you are looking for a free AI tool to make music, then SoundDraw is the ideal tool for you. SoundDraw is a powerful website that offers users the ability to create custom music for a wide range of applications, including YouTube videos, podcasts, ads, and more. With SoundDraw, users can choose from a variety of music styles and customize the energy level throughout the song to match different parts of their video or audio content. Additionally, users can choose which instruments they want to include in different parts of the song, creating a truly personalized sound. One of the key features of SoundDraw is its user-friendly interface. The website is designed to be easy to use and accessible to anyone, regardless of their musical background or experience. This makes it an ideal option for individuals who may not have the resources or expertise to create their own music from scratch. Okay, let's talk about Versy. Versy is an AI technology that has captured the imagination of many with its groundbreaking capabilities. It offers users an unprecedented level of control over their virtual experiences. With Versy, all you need to do is type in what you want, and it will create a fully customizable 3D environment for you to explore. This means that users can bring their ideas to life in a way that was previously impossible. What sets Versy apart from other AI technologies is its ability to create immersive experiences that can be viewed from every angle. Users can add a wide range of objects to their virtual environment, from simple shapes to complex structures, and can customize them in countless ways. This makes it possible to create virtual spaces that are truly unique and tailored to individual preferences. It's like a glimpse into the future of the metaverse, and it's making me think about all the possibilities for immersive experiences that lie ahead. Okay, let's talk about NVIDIA. NVIDIA is a company that has been at the forefront of AI technology for many years, and their innovations continue to amaze. One of their most interesting tools is Canvas, which allows users to create photorealistic landscapes with just a few simple strokes and shapes. With the ability to select from a variety of different materials, users can bring their art to life in a way that was previously impossible. Additionally, Canvas allows users to create 360-degree panoramas, giving viewers an immersive experience that feels like they are really there. Another impressive product from NVIDIA is NVIDIA Broadcast, which is a game-changer for anyone who creates videos or records audio. With its advanced features, users can get rid of background noise and echoes, change backgrounds, and even automatically frame the shot. But what really sets NVIDIA Broadcast apart is its eye contact feature. This technology allows users to read from a script or teleprompter without looking directly at the camera, yet still maintain the appearance of eye contact with their audience. If you are interested in painting and visual arts, AutoDraw can be an attractive tool for you. AutoDraw is a simple but powerful drawing tool that uses artificial intelligence to make drawing faster and more accessible for users. With AutoDraw, users can quickly sketch out their ideas, and the tool will automatically guess what they're trying to draw, suggesting a list of options that they can choose from. One of the key features of AutoDraw is its ability to recognize a wide range of objects and shapes, from simple geometric shapes to more complex images and designs. This makes it an ideal tool for individuals who are new to drawing or who want to quickly create sketches or diagrams for work or personal projects. With the advancement of artificial intelligence, you will no longer need to pay a lawyer. DoNotPay.com is a revolutionary tool that offers users access to a virtual lawyer, providing legal assistance and advice for a wide range of legal situations. With DoNotPay.com, users can get help with everything from traffic tickets and parking fines to landlord-tenant disputes and consumer rights issues. One of the key benefits of DoNotPay.com is its ability to provide legal assistance quickly and efficiently. The tool uses artificial intelligence and machine learning to analyze users' legal situations and provide recommendations on how to proceed. This can save users a significant amount of time and money, as they can avoid the need to hire an expensive lawyer or navigate the legal system on their own. If you are interested in singing, AI will help you discover your talent. 11 Labs is a groundbreaking tool that allows users to clone their own voice, creating a highly realistic and natural-sounding voiceover for a variety of applications. With this tool, users can upload recordings of their own voice and create a script that the tool can read in their own voice, creating a voiceover that sounds just like them. One of the most impressive features of 11 Labs is its ability to create highly realistic and natural-sounding voiceovers. The tool uses advanced machine learning algorithms to analyze the user's voice and create a voiceover that closely mimics their tone, intonation, and other vocal characteristics. This creates a voiceover that sounds so realistic, like the user is actually speaking. Let's check out a new text-to-video generator tool. While Google's text-to-video generator is still in development, there are other text-to-video tools that are available for users to explore. One such tool is Kyber, which allows users to input text or upload an image and add a prompt to generate a video. While Kyber is not perfect, it offers users a fun and creative way to make videos without extensive technical skills. One of the most exciting features of Kyber is the ability to upload a song and choose a style to create a music video. In fact, the band Linkin Park used Kyber to create a music video that has been viewed over 40 million times. PyMize is a facial recognition tool that has garnered attention for its ability to search the internet for pictures of individuals, even if those individuals did not post the pictures themselves. While this may seem a little creepy at first glance, there are potential benefits to using such a tool. For example, it could be helpful in finding out if your photos are being misused without your permission, such as in cases of identity theft or online harassment. One of the key features of PyMize is its facial recognition technology, which uses advanced algorithms to match faces in online images with the faces of individuals in its database. This technology can be particularly useful for individuals who are concerned about their online privacy and want to know if their photos are being used without their consent. By using PyMize, users can quickly and easily search for their own images online and take action if they find any images that are being misused or used without their permission. Now let me introduce Wisdolia. Wisdolia is a fantastic tool for anyone who wants to learn more effectively, as it helps users actively engage with the material they're studying and retain information in their long-term memory. By generating flashcards with questions and answers based on the content users are reading, Wisdolia encourages active learning and testing of understanding. This approach is far more effective than simply passively reading, as it helps users to think critically about the material and develop a deeper understanding of the concepts. One of the best features of Wisdolia is its integration with Anki, a spaced repetition system that helps users retain information in their long-term memory. Anki is a powerful tool for learning, as it schedules flashcards for review at specific intervals to help users counter the forgetting curve and remember the material better. By using Wisdolia with Anki, users can create a highly effective learning system that helps them learn and retain information more efficiently and effectively. If you're into video editing, you should check out Runway ML. It has a suite of tools that can help you create some really unique videos. One tool is called Super Slow Mo, which can turn any video into smooth slow motion. Another tool is In Painting, which makes it easy to remove objects from videos. They also have a lot of image tools like expanding images, altering them with text, prompts, colorizing. And in the future, they're working on a tool called Gen 2 that will let you alter videos in all sorts of cool ways, like making a video look like claymation or adding a style from an image you upload. If you are a student, Cactus can be a useful tool for you. Cactus is a powerful AI tool that can be incredibly helpful for students, offering a range of features to streamline the writing and editing process. With the ability to write essays in a matter of minutes, Cactus can save students a significant amount of time and effort, while also providing valuable feedback to improve the quality of their work. Additionally, Cactus can fix grammar, format work according to AP style, and even create citations, making it an invaluable tool for anyone writing academic papers. While Cactus is particularly useful for subjects like science, technology, engineering, and math, it can also be used for other fields of study. If you're someone who struggles with reading, Speechify might be a helpful tool for you. One of the key features of Speechify is its ability to read any text that users select, including articles, books, and other written materials. This makes it an invaluable tool for individuals who struggle with reading or have difficulty focusing on written text. Additionally, Speechify can be customized to suit individual preferences, such as adjusting the reading speed or choosing a different voice. The potential applications of Speechify are vast and varied, with potential uses in everything from education and training to personal development and professional growth. Have you ever seen those old photos that have been animated to make the people in them look like they're alive? That's called deep nostalgia. This technology has been widely popularized on social media, with users sharing animated photos of their ancestors or famous historical figures. It's a remarkable example of how AI can be used to bring old photos to life, and it has the potential to transform the way we interact with our past. However, as with any new technology, there are also concerns about the potential misuse of tools like deep nostalgia. One of the biggest concerns is the rise of deepfake videos, which are videos that use AI to manipulate images and create realistic but false footage. Deepfake videos can be used to spread misinformation, create fake news, or even blackmail individuals. The next AI tool is LumaLabs. It's a remarkable tool that allows users to create photorealistic 3D scenes and objects from ordinary photos. With LumaLabs, users can take a picture of a room or place and upload it to the tool, which will then turn it into a fully realized 3D world that can be explored from all angles. This technology has enormous potential for a wide range of applications, from video game development and CGI to architecture and interior design. One of the most exciting features of LumaLabs is its ability to use photos taken on a mobile phone to create 3D objects that can be used in video games. Users can simply take a picture of an object with their phone and upload it to LumaLabs, which will then turn it into a 3D model that can be used in a game or other interactive application. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities for game designers and developers, as it allows them to easily create custom objects and environments without the need for extensive 3D modeling expertise. The next tool is LeiaPix. It is a fascinating tool that allows users to add depth and animation to normal photos, creating a unique and eye-catching effect. By using advanced algorithms and machine learning, LeiaPix can analyze the content of a photo and create a 3D model of it, which can then be manipulated to create a range of different animation styles. Users can adjust the angle, speed, and animation style to create the perfect effect for their photo. While LeiaPix is a great tool, it's worth noting that Google is currently leading the way in this technology. Google's research team has developed an AI-powered system that can create 3D models from 2D images, which can then be used to generate animations and visual effects. This technology has enormous potential for a wide range of applications, from gaming and entertainment to advertising and e-commerce. Grain is a tool that can be really helpful for people who have Zoom calls. When you use Grain to record your Zoom call, it will automatically create a written version of everything that was said during the call. That's called the transcription, but it doesn't stop there. Grain can also create a summary of what was said during the call using AI, which is really cool. You can even label the people who are speaking and choose specific parts of the conversation to highlight. Whist Labs is a company that is changing the way we interact with our memories by providing a tool that allows users to turn their regular videos into 3D format. This technology has enormous potential for creating more fun and interactive memories that can be revisited and shared in exciting new ways. By converting videos into 3D format, Whist Labs allows users to experience their memories in a whole new way. These 3D videos can be used in virtual or augmented reality, creating immersive experiences that are unlike anything else. For example, users can use their 3D videos to create virtual tours of their favorite places, or to relive special moments with friends and family in a whole new way. One of the key benefits of Whist Labs technology is its ease of use. The company provides a simple and intuitive tool that allows users to convert their videos into 3D format in just a few clicks. This makes it accessible to a wide range of users, from amateur videographers to professional content creators. Another tool that's a bit like having a perfect memory is called Rewind. Rewind is a fascinating tool that offers users a kind of perfect memory, allowing them to search through everything they've ever seen, heard, or said. It's like a super advanced diary or journal that never forgets anything, and it has the potential to be an incredibly powerful tool for personal growth, self-reflection, and productivity. One of the key features of Rewind is its ability to use advanced computer tricks to store vast amounts of information in a small amount of space on your computer. This means that users can store everything from notes and to-do lists to emails and chat logs, and easily search through them at a later time. Additionally, Rewind can be used to store photos, videos, and other multimedia content. making it a powerful tool for preserving memories and experiences. And finally, if you are interested in interior design, be sure to try Reimagined Home. Reimagined Home is a cutting-edge tool that allows users to try out different designs for the inside and outside of their house without having to buy anything. With this tool, users can experiment with different furniture, flooring, lighting, and other design elements to create their ideal living space. One of the key features of a reimagined home is its ability to create photorealistic 3D models of users' living spaces. This allows users to see exactly what a new chair or new floors would look like in their space before making any changes. Additionally, the tool offers a wide range of design options and styles, making it easy for users to find inspiration and explore new ideas. Thank you for watching. These 20 AI tools are the best new tools available, and we would love to hear which one you find most useful. Leave a comment with your favorite AI tool from this list, and we will create a separate tutorial video for it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to always stay up to date on the latest advancements in artificial intelligence. We can't wait to see you in our next video.